What a gorgeous and whimsical day for a move with Roadway.
Oh my god, we're moving! I can't believe it. I am finally making the move from Washington, D.C. to Los Angeles.
On moving day to New York City, Roadway arrived exactly at 9 a.m. and I was so excited because I got to see my tiny nail charm truck in real life, and it was so much bigger than the nail charm, you wouldn't believe it.
Our boxes carry so much history, so many stories. The Roadway movers were so lovely and made the move so smooth and enjoyable.
What's your sign?
Turns out we're all air signs.
They came in, I had a 1-bedroom apartment, and they were in and out of that place in like 2 hours. And the best part was, I did absolutely nothing. Like, literally just sat in this chair, looked pretty, and was just so confused at the fact that, like, I really didn't have to do anything. I had my stuff wrapped down, and then they were off. Like, I honestly cannot speak more highly of Roadway Moving.
They met us at our new apartment in New York the next morning, which was insane because that's 7 days earlier than we were expecting them, and moved all of our stuff in literally an hour and a half. Like, holy guacamole, I can't imagine moving without them.
Bon voyage, Roadway. Until next time.